Restoring full access to your Apple ID after completing security checks can be a straightforward process. Follow these steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Visit the Apple ID account page. Go to the official Apple ID account page by entering apple.com in your web browser. This is where you will manage your account settings and security. Step 2. Sign into your account. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Complete security checks. Once signed in, you may be prompted to complete additional security checks. Follow the instructions provided, which may include verifying your phone number or email address associated with your Apple ID. Step 4. Update security settings. After passing the security checks, navigate to the security section of your account settings. Here, you can update your password, enable two-factor authentication, and review your trusted devices to enhance your account security. Step 5. Confirm changes and log out. Once you have updated your security settings, confirm any changes made. It is a good practice to log out of your account and then log back in to ensure that all settings are correctly applied and that you have restored full access. By following these steps, you should be able to restore full access to your Apple ID after completing the necessary security checks. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Apple support for further assistance.